How to verify your age on TikTok to go live. So all you have to do is just search for your TikTok. So as you can see in here, just search for TikTok and you can click that. And once you are appearing in here, you should go to profile. Just click that and you could see the three lines in here. Just click that also and click this settings and privacy. And you could see your account in here. You just click that account and the account information. And once you are in here, you could see the date of birth, or sometimes it would not appear here because you have confirmed or filled your age or date of birth in here. As of mine, you could see this date of birth, and you could click that, and it will tell you what's your birthday. So you should have to navigate, or you just have to fill up what is your birthday and make sure that it is above 18 so that you could live in here. So once you are done with that, you should click confirm, and once that's done, that's it.